Okay, so this is what I actually talked about. Like a database is an organized collection of structured information or data, which is typically stored electronically in a computer system. And database are managed through the database management system, which we call DBMS, which provide the user the ability to create, retrieve, update, and manage the data. So basically, we have a database where we store all the informations of a user. Like suppose you can store your ID password, your bank details, your home loan details and other stuff. And the database management system, it actually responsible to create the data in the database, update them if you want to, delete them, and you can get the data. And that is database management system actually help you with this. And the data in the database is often structured into tables, which actually consist of the rows and columns, which actually make it easier to search, filter, and retrieve some specific information. And the database can store a wide range of information, for simple records like contact details to complex data set used in business and operation and some other services also. So this is what a database is. Oh, and we have different types of like the relational databases, which is such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, and we have some NoSQL database also like the MongoDB and Redis. Each is designed to handle specific types of data needs. As the backbone of the modern application, database ensure that the data is constantly available, secure, and manageable across various platforms.